Alright boys, well, just got pulled over in the 300. Not a cold start, but still good. I need AC because, as you guys already know, and as I say in every vlog, it's hot. Ooh, actually, dang, I can't believe I forgot to show you guys. Look what we did new on the 300ZX. Nothing crazy, but check it out, check it out. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember about the 300, but the windshield was actually really cracked. It was really bad. If I have a picture, I'll put it up right now, but yeah. Somebody came out a couple days ago and fixed it for us. Huge shout out to them. Really sick. Makes the car look so much better though. But now, let's get back to this video. So I actually haven't done the type of video you guys love, which is POV. So this video is mostly gonna be POV. I haven't done that in a while, so I thought why not just today take it, you know, relax day, give you guys some nice content to watch on POV. And this thing happened the other day, which was pretty dumb. You guys probably read in the title of the video. No, it's not clickbait. And I do have clips from it and everything. Just wait, don't skip forward. You can't skip forward though, but enjoy. Let me know in the comments below, what was the silliest or most dumbest thing a cop's ever pulled you over for? Let me know. When there's somebody in front of you and you're trying to do a quick pull, that's honestly not a bad thing. Just slow down and just go up to 55. 55. That was a quick 55. Going from the 300 to this, good job Nissan, good job. The 300 is amazing and all, and I know mine's not fixed up or whatever, but the difference is just insane. It really is. All right, let's get started. Yes, I know the key's on here. Let's get to the quick, juicy part of the vlog. All right, so 4 days ago, I was on my way home from work in the 300ZX. It was like around 11:30 p.m. I'm looking over there because there's like workers, but yep, that's whatever. So it was like 11:30 p.m. at night, coming back from work and just driving normally. Literally, my job is like 12 minutes from my house, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm used to it. I've been driving to work with the 300 for like the past 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm driving home normally, la 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 la, making turbo noises, choo choo choo. And I see a cop parked on the side, like, you know when you're gonna merge into somewhere else? He was parked there. Instead of merging, he was just parked there. And I was driving normal. I'm like, okay, nothing, I'm not doing anything bad. I pass him. As soon as I pass him, he literally just goes to the right and gets right behind me. But he wasn't too close though. He wasn't too close. So I was like, oh, maybe he's just going somewhere else. But in the back of my mind, I was like, my man's about to pull me over. I just know he is. So I turned right onto another road that leads to my house. And when I turned right on the road, he stays behind me like way far. And then he starts getting closer, closer, closer. And he turns on his high beams. Then I knew that there was like a 90% chance that I was gonna get pulled over. So I turned to the side of the road. He turns the lights on, and as you guys can see right here, let's just let the video do the talking. All right, boys. Well, just got pulled over in the 300. I have no idea why, getting home from work, but it just happened. How you doing, officer?
All right, make sure you get your tag light fixed, okay? I gotta go to another call now, all right?
Oh, okay, thank you. All right. That wasn't too bad. I know. Stupidest, dumbest thing to get pulled over by, but thankfully, as you guys saw, the cop was just A1, just just a nice guy, just a nice guy. Well, seriously though, for stupid freaking license plate lights, guys, take this as a lesson learned. If you don't have those lights and you're like, I probably won't get pulled over, or you're like risking it, just don't do it, because thankfully that couple's nice. But if he was like a dude, yo, those sounds are so loud. If he was like a big douchebag and he didn't want to let you go, or maybe he found other things and other things and other things, things can really escalate a lot from just a very minor little incident. So don't risk it. And you guys might be wondering, wait, Danny, why are you running around without license plate lights? That's super immature. It is very mature of me. But the thing is, I didn't know that they weren't working. But then again, the immature part is that I didn't check, and I didn't double check that they were working. So yeah, there's that. Thankfully he was cool, guys. Thankfully he was cool. And now that I think about it, it all makes sense. He flashed the long lights because my lights weren't on, and he wanted to check if I was driving illegally without like a without registration, or my license plate was expired. So, but yeah, don't run around without license plate lights. Just don't. Or double check every day, or don't be like Danny. Don't be like this guy right here. Just don't. Yo, birds are out here hating. We got 1 poop, 2 poops right there, 3. Come on, man. All right, seriously though, back to the POV. For all of you bros out there that love POV videos, this is for you guys. This is for you. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I gotta be in 5th gear. Yeah. I just wanted to make this real quick because it was just something funny that happened to me, and maybe some of you can learn from it. Hopefully, I don't know, but I just have to share it with you guys because, I mean, obviously I gotta share with the pros. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car off a little bit. I know it's been raining, but I don't know. I just feel like rinsing the car off. Why? I don't know, but it should be pretty fun. Alright, so when I was filming Brittany over there, my neighbor just came up to me. I've never spoken to him. Oh, that's so hot. And he was asking me if I was gonna sell a 300, what I'm gonna do with it. And then he actually asked me how much I would sell it to him for if I were to sell it right now. That was pretty cool. We have way too much to do to be able to sell this car. Also, I forgot, he did say that Brittany's a beautiful car, so shout out to the neighbor. Shout out to the neighbor. He does not hate the cold starts, guys. I repeat, he does not hate the cold start. Alright, my neighbors are I'm just gonna end this video, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe. This video wasn't as lit as always, but still, guys, go ahead and subscribe. Share with your friends. Let me know your silliest and dumbest cop story. Let me know in the comments below. I'm hyped to read you guys' comments. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Roll the new old outro. I don't know. Love you guys.